how to use Lowe's project guides for DIY. To use Lowe's project guide for your DIY projects, you can access a library of step-by-step instructions material list. So basically, you just want to make sure to go to the Lowe's app. First thing first, launch open the app. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for DIY. You could also tap onto the search and simply type in DIY as well. Just want to make sure to go ahead and select that or type in that. Over here, if you can find one or just go to the very home page, you should be able to find all of these in the very first home screen. You could go ahead and look for it, your project fosters, or you could also go ahead and look for it over here. So basically, you cannot find such a dedicated platform or a tool. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and utilize it as well. Or just go to MyLowes, look for it, or just go ahead and type in DIY project guides. So here, it's going to take a while, but you might be able to find the result. You could also search or just want to make sure to use the search bar or hamburger menu icon to find a guide for specific projects such as installing composite decking, repairing dry walls, or building a fire pit and all that. So this way you should be able to use. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.